In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an additional camera to your PC and use it within Microsoft Teams. Whether you're setting up for a professional presentation or simply enhancing your video call experience, having a secondary camera can be a game changer. Let's dive in step by step. First, we need to physically connect the camera to your PC. Depending on your camera's capabilities, this connection will usually be via a USB or an HDMI capture device. If you're using USB, it's straightforward. Just plug the camera directly into an available USB port on your computer. On the other hand, if you have an HDMI output, you'll need an HDMI capture device, which acts as a bridge between your camera and your PC. Once you've got everything connected, take a breath as we move on to software setup. Now that your camera is connected, the next step is to install any necessary drivers. Drivers are essential pieces of software that help your computer communicate effectively with the camera. In most cases, Windows will automatically recognize and install the necessary drivers for your camera when it is plugged in, but sometimes it requires manual download saying from the camera manufacturer's website. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully during this installation process to ensure successful setup. If you run into any snags, a quick search on the manufacturer's support page should provide solutions. With the camera ready to go, let's shift our attention to Microsoft Teams. Open the application, and we're going to make a few changes in the settings to get our new camera up and running. Navigate to the settings section by clicking on your profile icon at the top right, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once here, select the devices on the left side, which houses all your audio and video preferences. You'll see a drop-down list for cameras. Simply click on the list and you should find the additional camera you plugged in among the options. Select it, and there you go. Your secondary camera is now your active camera in Microsoft Teams. Try switching between using your built-in camera and the new one during your meetings, depending on your needs. Whether you're showcasing a different angle on a project, switching to a higher quality lens, or using it to highlight physical documents or boards beside you, the addition of another camera can enhance interactions by making them more dynamic and engaging. And that's it! You've successfully connected and set up an additional camera on your PC to work with Microsoft Teams. Enjoy the improved flexibility and enhanced quality in your meetings. Thanks for tuning in, and happy video calling!